Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. So the first thing we should check is the power settings for the PC, and to do this, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and select Power and Sleep Settings. Here, go to the power mode and check if your power mode isn't draining your battery. It's best if you're using best power efficiency mode. If your battery is draining way too fast, you can set this mode for both plugged in and on battery modes, so that your device doesn't use much power in both modes. And the next thing is the screen brightness. So the screen brightness highly affects the battery consuming, and you can lower it to the point where you can still use your PC normally and conveniently by clicking these three icons left with the left button of your mouse, and then moving this slider to the left to decrease your brightness. Or you can simply use the function keys to do the same thing, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So you can use F4 button to decrease your brightness and F5 to increase it. If nothing happens when you push these buttons, then press FN button and escape button at the same time. This will unlock your function keys. Well, for me, I just locked them by pressing these two buttons together, so I will press them once again, and right now I can use them again. So the next thing that I want to mention is checking which applications use the most power on your PC. So go into Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Now, in this window, in Processes, right-click one of the column headers, like this, and then select Power Usage on the list. And now you can filter the applications by their power usage rate. And as you can see, the only application that is using my battery power for now is the Task Manager itself. But generally, if some application that you don't currently need uses a lot of power, you can right-click on it and select End Task, and this will close the program and reduce your battery consuming rate. The next thing is Bluetooth devices. So Bluetooth devices, okay, I didn't explain this step. Click the Start button and go to Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, and here, if you have some devices connected to your laptop, you can click the three dots icon that will be displayed right here next to the device, and click Disconnect if you don't need them currently, because each connected device is using your battery power and generally Bluetooth itself too. So if you're not currently using Bluetooth, disable it by switching this toggle to the left, and this will also reduce your battery consuming. The next thing is checking for updates. Go to this last section, Windows Update, and check for updates by clicking this button if you don't have any already. Now, once your device finds any updates, make sure to install them all so that your features work properly on your laptop. As you can see, I just detected one update, so right now it's installing, and once it will be installed, I will. Well, this update didn't require. I actually thought that it would require a restart, but this one didn't, so it just installed by itself, and basically I'm up to date now. But if this update required a restart, I will be notified right here on this page that I should restart my PC for the settings to be applied. And in such case, you'd have to restart your PC once you install the update. And the last thing that I want to mention is that your battery simply gets old. And if you want to check how worn out your battery is, then open the Start menu again and search for CMD. Now run this program as administrator by clicking right here and click yes. And in the following field, input power CFG spacebar / battery report. And when you're ready, click enter, and here you can see the path which you have to select, and then right click on it to copy, open File Explorer, open the path field and paste the battery report with Ctrl V. Press enter, and once you press enter, you'll be transferred to the page that looks like this. And the only thing that interests us here is the design capacity, which is the original capacity of the device, and the full charge capacity. Now, as you can see, my design capacity is 56 watts per hour, and it's manually provided, so it's not accurate. My actual design capacity is something close to this, since my full charge capacity can't be higher than the original one. I'm gonna explain it to you briefly. So the design capacity is the original capacity of your device, so it's the capacity of your device that it can reach once the battery is freshly installed into your PC, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity that your laptop is able to carry inside the battery. Now, if this number below is significantly lower than this one up here, then you might consider replacing the battery in your PC, as it has been worn out. So, for example, if this value reaches about 40 or 40,000, if you will, then it would be enough for you to consider replacing the battery, as your battery would have only be able to reach about 70-something% of the original capacity. And that's it for this video. I hope that my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.